all fine and safe. Now this place is called Chatanchand and it's in Kadiviti. So I have come to my husband's place here. So hope you like this place. It's a very beautiful place. And now coming to the point, today's video is about my room tour, that is my baby's nursery. Okay, the room tour is in my mother's place. I have already showed a video on what's in my wardrobe. So I'm going to show you that room. Okay, so let's go to the video. This is the door to enter into my room. So let's open the door. So first of all, let us have an entire view of my room, that is my nursery, and then you can see my baby sleeping over there. First, I would like to show you my night lamp. It is very important for a nursery. So you can check out your baby at night without switching on the bright light and disturbing your baby. Then behind the door, I have kept my sweater and my baby's sweater in hangers so that if it's very cold, especially at night, we can use it. Moving left, you can see my wooden wall cupboard. So now I'm going to show you what's in the lower part of the cupboard. In the upper part I'm not using. In the lower part I have kept all my baby items. So let's open my cupboard. This is the overall view. So let me explain from the top left corner. This plastic bag is a collection of all my plastic covers which I use for my baby's products. Now this was actually a green strawberry shaped cushion, but now I'm using this as a pillow for my baby, removing the cotton stuffing in the middle part and stitching a circle around it. Then this red bag contains my baby's christening clothes with christening candles, etc. If you have not seen my baby's christening video, please do watch it. I have shown the link here. Next item is my feeding pillow which I had used initially for 2 months. This is from Babyhug company. I will add the link in the description box. This is my baby's sleeping bag, or we can say carry bag. It is from Mimi company. It can also be used as a bed for your baby. Over to right, I have Bella's cotton balls. Then I have a few breast pads. I have also kept a bottle of hand sanitizer and a baby rash cream, then a big bottle of baby lotion, as well as baby shampoo, both from Himalaya. Now in this box I have kept baby's hairbrush and a comb in which the edges of the teeth are round in shape, so it's not so sharp. I bought these two as a set. Then I have a baby nail cutter which is from Babyhug. The next item is my cloth diaper collection. On top I kept all the inserts and below are the diapers which I have folded and rolled. And in this corner I have kept my baby's pamper pants and my pads. In the below section of the cupboard, I have kept my baby's basket. I had used this to take to hospital for my delivery, to keep all my baby stuff. I bought it from Amazon. So now let's see what's inside this basket. On the left side, I have folded and rolled and kept all my baby's swaddle clothes. Then this is a cotton cloth to use in the future. Below it are some more cloth pieces, then baby caps, then some clothes which are too tight for my baby. Now in this bag, I have kept all my baby stuff which I need to take when I go outside with my baby. Then this is a plastic basket that contains all my baby's clothes. These are t-shirts and shorts which I had folded and rolled. Then this is his nightsuit, rest all I kept for washing. This is a hooded sweatshirt and shorts. Then these two toys were given as a gift from my auntie. Last item in this wardrobe is this cardboard box. I'll show you what's inside this box. Here I have kept all my baby's socks and mittens in pairs, kept one in the other. Moving on, next I have my wardrobe. I have already uploaded a video on what's in my wardrobe. If you have not yet watched it, please do watch it. I have also kept a few of our pics and stuck up with smiley magnets. Moving left is a pencil sketch of a mother and baby which I had kept when I was pregnant. Then here we have a clock, and this hanging was gifted by my husband on Valentine's Day. He bought this from Archie's. And over here we have an attached washroom. Moving left, this is my whiteboard, which is a sticker. I bought it from Amazon. Those who have watched my YouTube channel Chrissy's Maths Academy might be familiar with this board. And this is my wooden study table in which I have kept my laptop, books and other important stuff. In this box, I have kept my baby's toys, which consist of rattles and teethers. I bought it from online in Amazon. Then this is my mobile phone, and I always keep a bottle of water to stay hydrated. This is my notebook which I have kept for this YouTube channel, that is Chrissy's Kingdom. I have written all my schedules and my scripts, etc. And this is my grandma's organizer shelf, which has become a very useful part of my life because I have kept all my baby's medicines and creams which I use daily. I have kept a scissors here which will be handy. Then I have my pen drive, some hair clips, and this is my rosary. Syringe was used initially when I started breastfeeding. Then here I have kept a dolo. This is a flower shaped cloth piece which had come off from my baby socks, so I have saved this for later use in some craft work. On the top part of the shelf I had kept my glasses. Then in the steel cup with a plastic cover I have kept my baby's pacifier. This is an empty earbud bottle which I had used as a pen stand to keep my pens, my comb, then hand sanitizer. And this plastic box contains medicines and creams which I use every day for my baby. The first one is a small bottle of Himalaya's oil, but now I have put coconut oil in which I use every day to massage my baby before bath. Then I have a small bottle of baby lotion. Already I have a bigger bottle inside the wooden cupboard, so I fill up this bottle every time it's empty. I have also kept a small bottle of Himalaya's baby shampoo which I use when I bathe my baby. Then this is Himalaya's baby powder. All these were bought online from Amazon as a gift pack set. This is Salina's nasal drops for my baby if he gets a cold. Then this is Dermodew cream which I use for cracked nipples. This cream was prescribed by my baby's doctor since he had white spots behind his back due to calcium deficiency. Then this is Himalaya's diaper rash cream. This is Rasnadi Podi which I use on my baby's scalp so he does not get a cold after his head bath. This is my baby's D3 drops which I use every day of 1 ml, which need to be used until he's 1 year. I have kept extra stock of D3 drops as it will be over soon since it's a small bottle. This bottle contains medicine for good motion. Bigger bottle is kept below. Similarly, I have kept a small bottle of calcium drops. The bigger one also I had kept below. Then this is my prayer book and this is my Bible. I also have another YouTube channel, Pray With Me. Those who are interested, please subscribe to my channel. This is the bigger bottle of the calcium syrup and this is the bigger bottle of the motion syrup. I have 2 extra bottles of D3 drops and this is colic acid drops that I use for my baby when he has a colic pain or a stomach pain. He cries a lot if he's having a stomach pain. Then this is paracetamol drops which I use for my baby when he has a fever and it's in an orange flavor. This space is allocated for my thermometer. It's a digital thermometer. I will add the link in the description box. Then this is the switch to my AC. Then I have kept 2 dolls on both ends of the curtain rod. Also, I have placed 2 balloons so that my baby can get a view of these things when he lie down on my bed. Then I have a plastic chair with cushion which I keep it either next to cradle so that I can rock my baby to put him to sleep, or I keep it in front of my almirah to either sit there or to stack up all the wash clothes. Sometimes I sit here with my baby and show his reflection on the mirror. This is my cradle. It's from Babyhug. I have kept a smiley toy here. This bed is actually a baby nest which you can use on a normal bed. Then this is a dry sheet from Babyhug. Will be a detailed video on my cradle which you can see it in the future. Over here I have kept my baby's bib. This is actually a napkin. I'm using it as a bib. Then over here I have kept a washcloth to wipe my baby's mouth after feeding him when I sit over here. This is my bedsheet and my baby's bedsheet. This is my feeding station. I keep the cradle either horizontally or vertically like this. Keep it vertically when I sleep at night. During the day, I mostly keep my baby on the bed itself by keeping pillows on either side of him so that he don't roll over if he wakes up. This plastic basket is kept most of the daytime on my bed. In this I have my baby wipes. It's from Himalaya, but I prefer Mother's Purse baby wipes. Then this is one of the rattles from the set I showed you earlier. I have kept some tissues which will be handy to use for my baby. Then these are my baby's bed sheets. This is his swaddle cloth. Then more bed sheets. This is his napkins. This is from Babyhug. I have also stitched napkins. Try to keep a cloth inside the napkin so if he poops it will be easy to wash. It won't get the napkin dirty. This is a set of 5 towels in 5 different colors bought from Babyhug. I use this to wipe my baby after his bath. And these are the bibs I showed you earlier. Then these are newborn clothes which were stitched. It is like a long dress with a tie behind. It can be used for newborns. Now near the switchboard, I have kept a mini teddy which I got it from one of my baby's dress. These are kitchen tissue rolls. I bought it online as a set of 6. So I keep it on this hanger so that I can use it faster when he poops. Plug, I have connected an extension board. It will go under the bed and then it's hung with a hook on the window. I use it to charge my phone and laptop. So that's the end of my room tour.